Welcome back everybody, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to create this cool simple hue CRT effect in After Effects. So for the first effect, I'm going to add hue and saturation. I'm going to head over here, go to colorize. I'm going to put our color at 95 and it's going to give this cool green hue effect. Then I'm going to head over here to colorize lightness, put it at 2, and then once after that I'm gonna add glow. I'm gonna put our radius right here at 162. Then I'm gonna close it out, and then I'm gonna add chromatic glow. Then I'm gonna head over to our threshold. I'm gonna put it at 1. Then I'm just gonna head over to RGB slit H. I'm gonna bring it down all the way to 0. Then once after that, add grain. Click out a final output, and then I'm gonna put it at 1.5. Then I'm gonna head over here, add grid. So I'm gonna head over here, put on hard light, put our color to black. Then I'm gonna put our width and height at 4. Then I'm gonna put our border at 1. Then it's gonna start giving this like cool grid effect. So once after I'm done adding the grid effect, I'm gonna add CC vignette right here. I'm gonna put it at 150. Those are all the effects you'll need in order to create the simple hue CRT glow effect in After Effects. And before you hop off this video, make sure to subscribe, like, or leave a comment. I'm uploading 3 to 4 times a week. That's all I have for you today. Make sure to subscribe, like, or leave a comment. I'm uploading 3 to 4 times a week, and enjoy your day. Peace out.